Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to see how to create custom metrics that we can use with the evaluate method in MLflow. So first, I'm going to import some libraries and set the tracking URI. The main objects that we're going to be using in this video are metric value and evaluation metric, which are coming from the module metrics in MLflow. Now I'm going to create an experiment, custom metrics. And let's see how we can create an evaluation metric using MLflow. So here you can see the documentation, the class evaluation metric. As you can see here, it takes multiple parameters: the evaluation function, the name of the metric, greater is better, long name, version, metric details, and metric metadata. Also GNI metric args. So let's see how we can use this class to create an evaluation metric. And first, let's work with the evaluation function. Now, the evaluation function is the function that implements the logic of your metric. Within this function, you will actually calculate the value of the metric. So the signature of this function is like this. This was taken from the documentation. It takes the predictions, the targets or labels, a matrix dictionary, and basically this is to calculate maybe other metrics from metrics that MLflow automatically calculates. And this returns a float or a metric value. In this case, I'm calculating the accuracy. It's just a simple definition of accuracy, which means that this function is returning a float value, as you can see here. Let me just run this cell to define the function. Now I'm going to create like a demo dataset that you can see here. I have predictions and targets. And now I'm going to use the custom metric, as you can see here. Here I am passing the predictions, the targets, and an empty dictionary for the metrics. So as you can see here, we got a float 0.48, and this would be like the value of the custom accuracy. Now let's create the evaluation metric. To do that, we need to use the class evaluation metric, which is coming from MLflow. So in here, we need to provide the evaluation function, which is the definition of accuracy, the name, custom accuracy in this case, greater is better, true, metric details, some details about the metric, some metadata, a dictionary with, let's say, additional information about the metric, and the version. It's done. I have created my custom metric. Now let's see how we can use this metric. We can use the metric using the method mlflow.evaluate. This method takes a parameter called extra metrics. Where is that? Here, extra metrics. So we can provide the definition of the metric using this parameter. And that's what I'm doing. What I'm doing here, I am passing the evaluation dataset, the model type, let's say that is a classifier. Targets, this is the name of the column with the targets or the labels. The predictions. In this case, since I am not passing a model, I am passing just a dataset, I need to specify the name of the column that contains the predictions. And finally here, extra metrics. Here I can pass the definition of my custom metric. Is a list with all the definitions that you want to provide. So let me run this. Okay, now I'm going to access the metrics using the dot notation, because this method returns results, an object, right? An evaluation metric result. And I can access the metrics from here. So as you can see here, we can see like all the metrics that MLflow automatically calculates for classifiers, true negatives, false positives, example code, accuracy score, or recall score, precision score, F1 score. All these metrics are, let's say, the matrix the MLflow calculates for classifiers by default. And now here we can see the custom metric, the accuracy score or custom accuracy. As you can see here, the value is basically the same the MLflow calculates here, accuracy score. So this is how you can use, let's say, a simple definition of a metric, integrate the metric of the definition with your evaluate method. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.